Boom! We back. What up? Today is Tuesday. I have my German examination. I'm kind of screwed. I'm not gonna lie. This is a Mickey Mouse language, I have to say. No offense, but it's kind of Mickey, bro. I don't know. Why can't we all just speak American? How much easier would that be? American, you know what I'm saying? It is what it is. I just want to get this week over with so I can chillax. So, as you know, I've been doing the run. Yesterday felt good. The 2K felt nice. Today 2.5. That's usually the standard of what I run. So we'll see how good it is. Tomorrow, I mean, the only thing I have to remember for German is the what's it called? Like agreements. I guess it would be like subject verb agreements in English, but I don't even know that. You ask any native speaker of English what any of that grammar or tenses bullshit, they don't know what they're talking about. In English, as a native speaker, if it sounds correct, it's correct. It's as simple as that. I guess if you're German and you speak the language natively, I guess they would have the same mindset. But damn, this language is pretty Mickey. I would say from the hardest language I've learned is Mandarin. I would say one of the easiest language you could learn is Española, Spanish. It's pretty fun to speak and to learn, I guess. Talking about learning languages, Duolingo has been on maintenance break for almost 3 weeks right now, and it's kind of pissing me off a little bit. I'm not gonna lie. Like, what the hell are they doing? And why are they having a maintenance break during holidays? Wouldn't they just be on holiday? So are they doing any actual work on it? Golly, like, that's one of the only few free language apps, in my opinion, that's worth a damn. So, yeah, I'm screwed. That's all I have to say. Not really have much else to talk about. Let's see. That's about it, really. So, I guess I'll see you tomorrow. Peace.